had a mine on the wall that broke.
Uh-oh.
And my butt was in the got by hand, got flashed and stopped it for $2.
Seen these VHSs up in here?
What?
See these VHS up in here? We got Mighty Ducks, D2. We got Bionicle, Scooby-Doo 2. Hidden in the cupboard. Later, man. Iron Will. Polly. Oh, dude, Muppets from Space, bro? Okay, I'm gonna have to take that one. Bambi, of course, classic. Let's keep going down here. What else was there? Alright, Jungle Book. Jumanji. Okay, D2 is for sure a winner. Little Giants. Never heard of it. Shrek, never heard of it. Dennis the Menace, never heard of it. Stuart Patrick, never heard of it. Oh, someone come get him.